what's your name?
My name is Cindy.
Hi, Cindy. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Wow. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes. Cindy, are you hungry?
No.
No. Are you thirsty?
No.
Sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No.
How many fingers do you have? I have.
I have.
How many? Bawal.
I have
How many fingers?
10.
10 fingers. How many eyes do you have? Eyes. How many? Bawal.
I
Have. I have.
I have 2
Eyes.
eyes.
How many ears do you have?
I have 2 ears.
Very good. 2 ears.
Ears.
Yes. Perfect. Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Alright, put your hands on the table and speak. Speak. I'm gonna ask you about animals. What animals do you like?
Animal.
I like. What animal?
I like rabbits.
Rabbit? Can you say rabbit? Not rabbit. Rabbit.
The rabbit.
Okay. What food do you like? I like.
I like pig.
Oh, feet. I don't know food. What food do you like? I like
I like.
hamburger,
I like.
pizza.
I like apple.
Apples. Okay. All right, apples. And what color do you like?
I like.
Color. Yes. Good job. Boom. Let's fly one more time. Boom. Yeah. You got it right. Let's do it now. What is it?
It's a book.
Say it again. It's a book. It's a book.
It's a book.
It's
It's
a
a
book.
book.
Next.
It's a
Swing.
it's a
Not it. It's.
It's
Yes. Thank you. Next. It's a.
monkey.
Good.
A
Sandcastle.
sandcastle.
Do you like playing sandcastle? Do you like it? Yes, it's so fun. Next. It's a
It's a flower.
flower.
It's a crayon.
Crayon. Good. Next. It's seesaw.
seesaw.
Next.
It's a
Woo, slide.
slime.
What's this?
It's seesaw. It's slime.
Okay, good. Next. Color. It's
It's green.
good.
It's red.
Red. Next.
It's
It's brown.
brown.
It's brown.
It's brown. It's pink.
It's pink. Good. Next, let's move on.
Number 4. Number 2. Number 1. Number 4. Number 3. Number 4. Number 2. Number 1.
Perfect. Good job, Cindy. Now, which one is stop? Stop. Where is stop? Stop. 1, 2, 3. Where is stop? Stop. Yeah, this one? Okay, very good. Good job. Say the word stop.
Stop.
Good. Next, which one is stand up? Stand up.
Stand up.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, correct. Can you say the word again? Stand up.
Stand up.
Good. Next, which one is turn around? Turn around, turn around.
To the left.
No. Where is turn around? That is slide. Where is turn around? Turn around, turn around.
To the
No, that is walking, walking, walking. This is turn around. Say the word turn around.
turn around.
Next, which one is play in the sandbox? Play in the sandbox.
Sandbox.
This is sandbox, but not play. Where is play? play in the sandbox. Play. Yeah, this one play. Look, they are playing, right? And this is the sandbox, right? This one no playing, only sandbox. But here, play in the sandbox. So here, playing in the sandbox. Alright, next, let's move on. Slide down the slide.
Slide.
Okay, slide. This is slide. What about slide down? Woo! The slide. This is only a slide. This one is slide down to the slide. Oh, look at the bear. Slide down. Ooh, this one only slide. This one slide down the slide. Alright, next let's move on. Swing on the swings.
Swing.
This is swing. This one swing on
On
the swing. Okay, now we're finished, Cindy. Good job. Woo. Say goodbye to teacher. Oops. Say goodbye first. Goodbye, teacher. Here you go.
Goodbye, Teddy.
Goodbye, Cindy. See you again. See you again, teacher.
See you again.
See you again,
See you again.
teacher.
Teacher.
Okay, see you again.